Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. For everyone else, welcome back. Today I have we're going to do a tutorial on how I did my bling nail. But first, I have a Happy Mail. I love the sticker. So this Happy Mail is something that I ordered from my twin friend, Hands and Bands. She has her own YouTube channel where she does budgeting. She is Hands and Bands, Alicia, Prop Money Millionaire, Cash Stuffing, Budgeting Teacher, Single Mom of 3. I will leave her link down below. She does have her own Etsy shop. She has printable, she has Freebie Fridays, she does budgeting, cash stuffing. It's an amazing channel. You have to go watch it. She's just amazing. I love her to death. She's so funny. Anyway, so here's the little some little extras that she gave me, which is this token. It's a scratch token, and she makes these. She does have them. They go with her scratch challenges or her scratch offs. Here's the little card. It's got her channel and her links. I will put those down below as well as leaving the link to her Etsy shop. She did write me a little note, talk about I hope you like the way those came out, and that the flower and the butterfly were small, so she made them bigger. Oh my god, this little it's a scratch challenge. I'm so excited. She sent it to me. That was in her PS. She's absolutely sweetest. I thank you so very much. Again, I'm going to leave her links down below, but to get into what she got me, what I ordered from her was I had an idea to put some vinyls. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I had an idea to put some vinyls on my desk so that I could use those for my intro instead of using the palettes, which I love my palettes, but I just wanted something that was going to be different. And right now I have this plastic on my desk, so I was like, oh, was watching one of her videos and then watching Black and Blue's videos, and she has like her aesthetic vinyls that she puts on everything, and I was like, oh, maybe I'll ask her if she can do this vinyl, and then she said yes, and then this is what she came up with. I'm absolutely obsessed with the big one. I love it. It's metallic, color shifting. You guys know I love that so very much, but I had the idea to put it on the back of my desk, so we will see what happens. Right now I have a plastic on there, so I think I'm going to put it under the plastic. I think I am going to use the big one, or maybe this medium-sized purple one. My other idea was to use the smaller ones and to use multiple of them, but I'm thinking I might do something else with them. But they are so pretty. Absolutely love how they came out. Alicia, thank you so very much. You guys go check out her Etsy shop. She does printables, she does challenges, she does vinyl, she does a lot of things. You guys go check her out. Again, I will leave the link down below. And then to get into the rest of today's video, I'm actually going to just show you guys a tutorial. If you've been to my Instagram, you saw a reel with the tutorial, but we're going to slow it down and let you guys actually watch how I did this cute little piece of some bling. I'm so excited to have you guys actually watch it. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys enjoy it, and I'll be back at the end.
En mi mente corriendo base, me quedo contigo, pase lo que pase. Baby, espero que me ames, me tiene volando en el cielo como las aves. Ey, en el Bambinanes, todo un sueño el debo ya lo sabe. tiene loco en la cabeza cuando me tocas. Siento que todo está bien, pero en verdad yo no sé si tú lo sientes también. Entonces quiero saber por qué desde que te vi yo vivo diferente. No me importa a mí lo que dice la gente, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena, porque tú siempre la prendes candela. Te quiero a mi lado toda la vida, mi nena. La mano pegada y los pies en la arena. Pase lo que pase, baby, vale la pena. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it
Guys, after I finish putting on getting even the Acrygel, you see me here filing, which really it's soft enough for you to do most of the filing hand file. Of course, I had to speed it up because you guys, it took me just a little while to do the thumb, but of course I'm a perfectionist, so I had to keep trying until I got it right. You'll see me filing here a little bit, and then you'll see me go around the cuticle with my drill bit, and then I go in with the artwork. I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and finish enjoying this. And guys, I'm so sorry. I swear, if it's not my phone losing focus, it's me going out of the frame. I don't know if it's me going out of the frame or when I edit it where I'm trying to make it closer and I'm still getting myself out of the area. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm working on it. I'm getting better. I promise.
All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that good reaction. Gonna make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run no red lights, I've got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make the highlights. I love the way we vibe, you're like a centerfold. Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, testify the motion, loving is the potion. Ooh, that sugar sweet. Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, testify the motion.
Oh my gosh, here guys, I'm going in with the base on the bottom, which is this very gel polish from Iguana. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love this color. You will see me use it in all kinds of things because I absolutely love it. The shifty color and it's beautiful.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain, dealing with all this pain. Why you gotta do me like that? Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can't get ugly, trust and believe me. Say it to myself, looks so deceiving. Trying to fight back this far from easy. I've seen your hands. Delilah, don't you know my I've seen your hands.
Alright guys, Now you're going to see me go in with these foils from Nail Day F. We'll put the foils on. I'm going to use the foil gel from Iguana. This one you actually let it cure for 60 seconds. And oh my gosh, I swear it is the perfect combination. This foil gel works amazing. I love it. It is my favorite foil gel at the moment.
So to see, you chose to leave my life, so I'm on my own in the cycle. I can't believe. Don't say you love me, then go and leave me. It can get ugly, trust and believe me. Saying to myself, looks are deceiving. Trying to fight back, just far from easy. I've seen your hands. Delilah, don't you know my I've seen your This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day
Okay guys, so on this part I went ahead and I sealed my foil in with base gel. I used the Bio Seaweed base gel, and then I went in with this Poochie's Bling gel because I wanted something that I could brush on. I went ahead and went in with the Poochie's Bling gel, and then I took out the center crease that I got from Nail Day F, and then I actually took out some Preciosa and some Swarovski crystals that I had to actually go around, and then you will actually see me also top it off with the caviar beads from Iguana. I will show you guys all of that, and then you will see the final details.
This is for my day one, day one. This is for my day one. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day one, day one. Showed up, day one before the glow up. Don't need to ask for them to show love. Don't need to ask for them to show love, show love. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Let's tell you I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones, day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones, day ones. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Let's tell you I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones, day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones, day one. Izquierda pa' derecha, dale bien paga. Yo quiero que tú bailes, dale sin parar. Todo mundo, hey, quiero vacilar. Shake it, and I'll throw it right back. Ooh, moonlight. Ooh, moonlight. Can't believe I found you, baby. Come alive. Loving you,
Okay guys, so you see me go and hang out with the Red Iguana mat coupled, just to cap around the edges. Of course, then I'm going to cure that, and then you guys will get to see the final step. So here is the nail, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for coming. For all of you, I will see you around next time. Again, make sure that you hit that like, comment, and subscribe. What do you guys think? Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, say bye.